In this question, you have to check whether the given series are AP or not. If the given series and AP, you have to find the common difference and you have to write 3 more terms for that. Here the given series is minus 1.2, minus 3.2 and minus 1.2. So D1 is minus 3.2 minus 1.2 and it is minus 3.2 plus 1.2 and we get minus 2. Similarly, D2 is, that is, it was A2 minus A1. D2 is A3 minus A2. Here third term is minus 5.2 minus 3.2 and again we get minus 2. D3 is A4 minus A3 and we get minus 7.2 minus 5.2, again we get minus 2. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to minus 2. So it is an AP. So next three terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Part number 4, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. Here A1 is minus 10 and A2 is minus 6. So therefore D1 will be A2 minus A1 and it will be equal to minus 6 minus 10. You have to take care of negative sign. Minus 6 plus 10 and it will be 4. Similarly, D2 will be A3 minus A2. That is minus 2 minus 6 and we get minus 2 plus 6, again we get 4. And D3 is A4 minus A3. 2 minus 2, 2 plus 2 and it again becomes 4. So therefore D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to 4. So it is an AP in which common difference is 4. It means each preceding term is increased by 4 to get the succeeding term. So next three terms are two plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 and 10 plus 4, 14. Next part, in part 5, A1 is 3 and A2 is 3 plus root 2. So we have to find D1, that is A2 minus A1. 3 plus under root 2 minus 3. This will cancel and it will be under root 2. Now D2 will be A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. And you have to subtract the second term. Now again negative sign is there. So put the bracket. And in next step, we will open the bracket. Here 3 is cancel out and 2 root 2 minus root 2 will be root 2. Similarly, D3 will be 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. And again it will be under root 2. So therefore D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to root 2. So it is an AP. And next three terms are, this was 3 plus 3 root 3. So next will be 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. In part number 6, first term is 0 0.2, 0.22, 0.222. Next is 0.2222 and so on. So therefore D1 is A2 minus A1, that is 0.22 minus 0.2 and it will be 0.02. And D2 will be A3 minus A2. We know if common differences are equal, then the given series is an AP. 0.222 minus 0.22. So it will be 0.002. So therefore D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore it is not an AP. In next part, given series is 0, -4, -8, -12, and you can see it is an AP. Each term is increased by -4. So therefore D1 is A2 minus A1. -4 minus 0, that is -4. D2 is -8 minus -4. -8 plus 4, it is -4. And D3 -12 minus -8. -12 plus 8, it is -4. So therefore D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to -4. So it is an AP. And next three terms are -16, -20, -24. In next part, each term of the given series is -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, 1/2. So it means all terms are same. So therefore D is A2 minus A1. That will be -1/2 minus -1/2. It is equal to 0. And in next part D2 is also -1/2 minus -1/2 is equal to 0. So it is an AP where common difference is 0 and next three terms are same ही होंगी -1/2, -1/2, -1/2. So if common difference in an AP is 0, it means all the terms of that AP are same. Next part, that is part number 9 of question number 4. Here A1 is 1, A2 is 3. So therefore D1 is A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. And D2 is A3 minus A2, that is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And we observe that D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore it is not an AP. Next 10th part, A, 2A, 3A, very simple question. Here D is 2A minus A, that is A, D1. And D2 is 3A minus 2A, that is A. D3 is 4A minus 3A, that is A. So therefore D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3, that is equal to A. So it is an AP. And next three terms are, this was 4A, so next term will be 5A, 6A and 7. Part number 11. First term is A, then A square, A cube and A4. We can see, students, this is not an AP because each succeeding term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by A. So but we have to do D1 is A square minus A, and we can take A common, it will be A minus 1. For D2, A cube minus A square. A square is common and this is A minus 1. Here D1 is not equal to D2, therefore it is not an AP. In part number 12, this is an very important part. Part number 12 is very important part. In this question, first of all, we have to write the given terms to their simplest forms. Root 2 as it is, and under root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. And root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. And it can be written as 4 root 2. Now you can easily see that given series is an AP. Now find D and then find the next three terms. Here we find that common difference is root 2. So therefore it is an AP. So next three terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. And we can change them as 5 को हम we can write 5 into root 2, and this term can be written as 6 into 6 into root 2, sorry 2, or 7 into 7 into 2, and they will become 25 twos are root 50, root 72 and root 98. This is an important question, or you can leave your answer here. This one is also correct. Next part of question number 4. Here A1 is root 3. So therefore D1 is equal to root 6 minus root 3. Here we can take root 3 common and it will be root 2 minus 1. And D2 will be root 9 minus root 6. From this again we can take under root 3 common. And it will be under root 3 minus under root 2. We see that D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore, it is not an AP. Next part. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square. We can write these numbers as 1, 9, 25 and 49. So find D1. 9 minus 1, 8. And D2 is 25 minus 9, that is 16. Therefore, D1 is not equal to D2. So, it is not an AP. Now, last part. This is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. Or we can write it as 1, 25, 49, 73. Now find the common differences. 25 minus 1, this is 24. D2 is 49 minus 25, again it is 24. D3 is 73 minus 49, it is again 24. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to 24. Therefore, it is an AP. So, next 3 terms are it means we have to add 24 for the next term. So, the 5th term will be 73 plus 24. It will be 97. Again 97 plus 24. It will be 121. 121 plus 24, it will be 145. So this was the last question of your exercise 5.1.